The admission to professional degree courses 2021 in nursing and paramedical streams, which has been approved by the Government of Kerala, is finally published. So, candidates has to visit the official website of LBS Center, that is www.lbscenter.kerala.gov.in, for regularly for the notification and the announcements. So in this video, we're gonna share you the complete details regarding the admission to various professional degree courses in nursing and paramedical streams. So here begins the video by the list of courses approved. The first one is Bachelor of Science in Nursing, that is BSc Nursing. Next is BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc Perfusion Technology, BSc Medical Radiology Technology, BSc Optometry, the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, Bachelor in Cardiovascular Technology. Bachelor of Dialysis Technology, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Allotment will be done in the following new courses in the government medical colleges subject to the approval of government. So the new courses introduced are Bachelor of Medical Imaging Technology, Bachelor of Radiotherapy Technology, and Bachelor of Neurotechnology. Admission to the above courses are regulated on the basis of merit as assessed in the rank list prepared based on the marks obtained in the final year of qualifying examination. Out of the total seats available for various courses, seats will be reserved for different categories. So now let's see the reservation made for different categories. Let's see the criteria for eligibility. Only Indian citizens are eligible for admission to the professional courses. Candidates seeking admission to the courses will be categorized as Keralite and non-Keralite. Applicants should have completed 17 years of age as on 31 December 2021. And there is no upper age limit. When it comes to nativity, in order to prove that the candidate is an Indian citizen of Kerala origin, for the limited purpose of eligibility for admission, the candidate has to produce one of the following certificate along with the printout of the application itself. So on this certificate to prove the nativity are The true copy of a relevant page of SSLC certificate of the candidate showing the place of birth in Kerala. The true copy of relevant page of SSLC certificate of either of the parents of the candidate showing the place of birth in Kerala. The true copy of the relevant page of passport of the candidate issued by the Government of India showing the place of birth in Kerala. A certificate of birth from the authority competent to register birth. A certificate from village officer or Tahsildar to show that the candidate or his or her father or mother was born in Kerala. Now, let's see the academic eligibility. Should have passed higher secondary examination conducted by the Board of Higher Secondary Education, Kerala, and should have separate minimum pass mark for physics, chemistry, and biology, and 50% marks in physics, chemistry, biology, and English put together. Application form. The application form was released in the official website, that is www.lbscenter.kerala.gov.in. The application fee. For general category, the application fee is Rs 600. For SC/ST candidate, Rs 300. And for service candidate, Rs 600. Now let's look at the certificate to be uploaded. A scanned copy of the relevant page of SSLC or equivalent certificate to prove the date of birth. A scanned copy of certificate in proof of nativity. Scanned copy of mark list of qualifying exam. Scanned copy of certificate in support of any claim for special reservation. Scanned copy of income certificate. Scanned copy of community certificate obtained from Tahsildar in case of SC/ST candidates. Scanned copy of non-creamy certificate for state government education purpose in the prescribed format from the concerned village officer. Scanned copy of inter-caste marriage certificate if the parents are from two different castes. Scanned copy of medical certificate obtained not earlier than 3 months for the person with disabilities. Submission of application form. Candidate has to visit the website www.lbscenter.kerala.gov.in and under various allotment, click the link Admission to Professional Degree Courses in Nursing and Paramedical Streams. In step 1, fill the personal details of the candidate. All the basic information required in the application are to be filled at this step. The step 2 is fee payment. At this step, candidate has to make the payment of the application fee by the way of online payment or by the way of challan. By online payment, the fee may be paid by credit card, debit card, internet banking. The step 3 is application entry. A registration ID will be provided to the candidate. Candidate should know this registration ID and password which are required for the future login. And candidate shouldn't keep them confidential. Candidate should fill all the remaining items in the application entry stage, including the academic data. The facility to upload the corresponding certificate and document in respect of claim, if any, will be available against each entry in the application. A recent passport size photograph and signature should be uploaded. The step 4 is confirmation and print the application form. After completing the step 3, candidate can preview the application form before confirmation and submission. After preview, candidate has to accept the declaration and make the final submission. Please make sure do not send the printout of the application form and supporting documents to the officer of director LBS Center by post or email or in person. After candidate has made the final confirmation, an acknowledgement slip will be generated and displayed, which can be printed. This will contain the acknowledgement reference number and date. If the final confirmation is not done, the application will be deemed to incomplete and thus will not be considered. So these are the various steps involved in the application form.